Good afternoon, ma'am. What can I do for you?
Good afternoon. I want to check up my pregnancy.
Okay, sit down, please. It's the first time for you to come here, is not it?
Yes, it is.
I see. So, now I will make your record cards. Can you give your name?
My name is Jilen.
Date of birth?
1 February 1995.
Okay, thank you. For the first, I will ask about patient demographic.
Okay.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
Please provide the name of the baby's father.
Mr. Muhammad Nabil Ulinuha.
Okay. What is your preferred pharmacy name and location?
Sari Medika Clinic and Pharmacy Ambarawa.
Do you have any religious beliefs that would impact your health care?
No.
Okay. Do you have any known for food or drug allergy or sensitivity?
No.
Do you have an allergy or sensitivity to latex?
No.
Do you take any medication?
No, I don't take any medication.
About menstrual history, how many days are there between the beginning of one period to the beginning of the next?
28 days.
What is the date of your last menstrual period?
25 January 2022.
How many days did your last period last?
7 days.
Was your last menstrual period normal?
Yes.
At what age did you start your first period?
13 years old.
When was your last pap smear?
1 year ago.
Mhm. Was your last pap smear is normal?
Yes.
Have you ever had any gynecologic surgery?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with a uterine or cervical defect?
No.
Have you ever been treated for any of the following sexually transmitted disease? Chlamydia,
No.
gonorrhea,
No.
trichomonas.
No.
Okay, next. What was your normal weight before you got pregnant?
52 kilograms.
Have you been pregnant before?
No.
Including this pregnancy, how many times have you been pregnant?
This is my first pregnancy.
Okay. How many of your pregnancy were full term? 37 weeks or more?
Nothing because it is my first pregnancy.
How many of your pregnancies were preterm, less than 37 weeks?
Nothing.
How many of your pregnancies were spontaneous abortion, miscarriages?
There is not any.
How many of your pregnancies were induced abortion, termination?
There is not any.
How many of your pregnancies were ectopic? Pregnancy outside the uterus?
I never had pregnancy ectopic.
How many children do you have living?
This is my first pregnancy.
In chronological order, list your pregnancies and include the following information: place of delivery, infant sex, infant birth weight.
Nothing.
Okay, next. Have you experienced any of the following since your last period? Vaginal bleeding,
No.
pain in the upper or lower abdomen,
No.
headache or dizziness,
No.
change in vision,
No.
excessive nausea or vomiting,
No.
urinary complaints or fever.
No.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol since your last period?
No.
Have you used any tobacco product since your last period?
No.
Have you taken any medication including prenatal vitamin and over-the-counter meds?
No.
Have you been exposed to any of the following environmental toxins since your last period? HIV,
No.
cytomegalovirus, herpes or syphilis, rubella, varicella,
No.
phenylketonuria, encephalitis,
No.
occupational chemicals such as heavy metals or organic solvents,
No.
radiation or X-ray,
No.
tuberculosis, toxoplasmosis,
No.
no, rash with a viral illness, no,
No.
injury, trauma, or surgery.
No.
Have you taken any street drugs such as marijuana, cocaine, heroin in your last period?
No.
Okay, next. Do you have a cat?
No.
Have you ever had a chicken pox?
No.
Have you ever been immunized for varicella or chickenpox?
No.
Have you been treated for AIDS or HIV positive?
No.
Have you ever been treated or immunized for hepatitis? Yes or no?
No.
When was your last tetanus or TDAP vaccination?
12 months after TD4.
Have you been immunized for influenza?
No.
Okay, about infant care, who do you plan to use as your pediatrician? Or the doctor who will take care of the baby after being born?
I think Dr. Maulia is the one I choose to take care of my baby.
Do you plan to breastfeed or bottle feed?
First.
Do you plan to circumcise your son?
Yes.
Okay, next, about personal and family health history. Cardiovascular, example, heart attack, heart disease, rheumatic fever,
Nothing.
valve disease, chronic hypertension,
No.
varicose veins, blood disorder, anemia,
No.
blood transfusion.
No.
Okay.
No.
Pulmonary, Examples: asthma, tuberculosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, chronic bronchitis. No, yes or no? Yes or no? Pulmonary example, asthma, tuberculosis.
No.
Endocrine example, diabetes, thyroid dysfunction,
No.
gastrointestinal, irritable bowel disease, Crohn's disease.
No.
Liver example, hepatitis, cirrhosis. Yes or no?
No.
Renal example, cystitis, pyelonephritis, chronic renal disease. Yes or no?
Nothing.
Okay. Autoimmune examples, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis. Yes or no?
Nothing.
Okay. Neurologic example, seizure disorder, migraine headache.
Nothing.
Psychologic example, physical abuse, psychiatry disease, emotional abuse, addiction to drugs, alcohol, or nicotine.
Nothing.
Major accident or injuries,
Nothing.
surgical,
No. Nothing.
anesthetic, complication.
Nothing.
Okay, next, genetic example, cerebral palsy, cleft lip or palate, congenital abnormalities,
Nothing.
cystic fibrosis, Down syndrome, hemophilia,
Nothing.
Huntington's chorea, mental retardation, muscular
Nothing.
dystrophy. Nothing.
Nothing.
Fragile X,
Nothing.
thalassemia A or B.
Nothing.
Okay, thank you for the checkout.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, see you, Mrs. Jilan. Stay healthy.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Okay. You too.